we will do the test practice. Prepare your books there, please. We are done with the homework, right? We checked it. ما في مشاكل خلاص. يلا, we are on page 229. Test practice, right? That today is 7 October. We will do some of the test practice questions. Select with me 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. In the next page, we will do 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay? Again, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9. خلاص? Let's start with the question 1. After we do these questions, I will give you your quiz marks. Okay? Before I forget, today you don't have online assignment because you have exams on Sunday, I think. You have English? English, right? So to give you more time to study, I didn't do online assignment for you, okay? But starting, inshallah, from next Thursday, when you finish your exams, we will go back to our assignments. So let's start with the question 1, and let's do it together. يلا, read. Read يا عامر, يلا. بس إذا كم question the quiz 20 والstudent كم جاوب 17. Continue. حلو. So we want the ratio of the correct answers to the total questions. How many correct answers? 17 with total. So what's the fraction will be? 17 over 20. If the question said write the ratio of the total questions to the correct answers, it will be 20 over 17. Got it? So here our ratio will be question 1. The ratio اللي هي 17 over what? 20. This is the ratio. خلاص? Continue, Amr. What the question wants? We want to write it as, how we write it as a decimal? How we, Amr? نعمل long. Let's do long division. يلا. So here 17 divided by 20. 0.08. صح? 8 by 20. Subtract 10. Decimal you can add 0. 5, 100, subtract 0. So what's the answer? Yes. This is question 1. We did the ratio and we write it as a decimal. Okay? Right. Let's do question 2 down. يلا يا محمد, read.
Which of the following is the decimal representation of the rational number -5 over 12?
So we have -5 over 12. We need to know which decimal for this fraction. Okay? Do you know the answer? Let's do it. Yeah. Question 2. Muhammad, what's the fraction?
-5 over 12.
-5 over. Yeah. They want us to find the decimal for it. What we will do?
Long division.
We will do division. But don't take the negative in the long division. The negative will be in the answer, right? And we'll go and do 5 divided by 12, right? 0.0. 50 on 12, 4. 48. Subtract decimal. صح? Good. 1. 1 by 12, 12. Subtract 8. Decimal 0. 6 by 12, 72. Subtract 8 decimal 0 6 72 6 forever, right? So here 0 negative 0.416 وداش على 6 هذا صح؟ We did the repeating decimals before, right? So this is question 2. Yes, Mr. احكي مالك. احكي مين ايش مالك؟ تخربط كيف تخربط اسمي؟ يلا this is question 2. Let's do question 3. Read يا ريان. يلا يا ريان read. earn شو يعني earn؟ بلس ولا ماينس؟ earn يعني كسب معاه فلوس. بلس قد ايه؟
23.6.
يلا لحظة شوي. question 3 بلس ها 23.50 دولار. continue.
Moment, loan, and $17.15.
إذا كسبان هو 23.50 and 17 point for baby sitting, right? So here another plus 17 point what? 25. Hello? Continue. Part A هذا. يلا continue.
Find the additive inverse of the total amount that delivery is.
We want the additive inverse of the total amount of the heirs, right? Fine. What we will do the first step? First, we will know the total amount of the money that Jeffrey earned, right? Then we will do the additive inverse. What's the additive inverse? We switch the sign, right? Positive, negative, negative, positive. If you add these numbers, ممتاز. So in total, هو قديش كسبان؟ 40 point. The question wants in part A هلا. يلا part A. In part A, part A, قلنا 40.75. The additive inverse is negative 40.75. هذا part A. نروح على part B. Part B we have a table, right? Part B, the question said, which one represents this negative 40.75? يلا يا يوسف. الأولى losing 40 تزبط؟ yes ولا no؟ حط check على yes. فاهمين الكويستشن؟ فاهمه؟ negative 40.75 شايفها؟ بالتيبل وين بتنفع؟ losing تزبط باللوزنج؟ ليه؟ لأن اللوزنج نيجاتيف ولا لا؟ إذا بوت تشيك. donating زي losing بوت تشيك. فاهم يا عامر؟ طيب. finding earning no. spending yes. receiving a gift of كمان no. right? ماشي ما هو بيقول لي we can represent this negative in which part of them بس وما قال لي يعطيني الزيرو. فهمت؟ يا مستر هو كسبان 40.75. سالنا ايش الاديتيف انفرس؟ حكينا له نيجاتيف 40.75. سالنا وين بتنفع بالتيبل؟ بس بتحط تشيك وين بتنفع. فهمت؟ فاهم ولا لا؟ يلا. This is question B. خلصنا. We said we will do 1, 2, 3, right? Now let's go to the next page and do question 6. I will take from the online students now. Badr.
Yes, Mister.
يلا question 6 read.
Number 6. What is the result when negative 7 over 8 is multiplied by negative 3.5?
ايش؟
What is the result when negative 7 over 8? Mister, can you
your
hear me?
voice is not clear يا مستر عيد.
Mister, can you hear me?
Your voice is not clear. Repeat please.
What is the result when negative 7 over 8 is multiplied by negative 3.5?
ممتاز الآن سمعناك. يلا. What we will do?
We will change the negative 7 over 8 to a decimal and then multiply.
لا. Question 6, right? They
Yes.
want us to find 7, negative 7 over 8 multiplied by negative 3.5, right?
Yes.
يلا, what we will do يا بدر?
We will change the fraction to a decimal.
طب الديسيمال للفراكشن أريح يلا.
Okay.
يلا. Negative 7 over 8 multiply negative 3.5. It is what? 3 and 5 over
3 and 5 over 10.
now ال 5 over 10 هذه هي 3 and صح؟
1 over 2.
Now turn it
Yes.
to fraction. It will be 7 over 2, right?
2.
Put it in its place.
Yes.
7 over 2. خلاص? Now let's multiply.
Yes. 49 over 16.
Now we don't need this, right?
Yes.
49 positive ولا negative?
Positive because they're the same sign.
Similar signs. The answer will be what?
Yeah.
49 over 16. Don't leave it like this. You need to turn it to next number or decimal. So 49 over 16, 3 and 1 over
16.
Thank you. طيب, Mr. Hisham.
Yes, Mister. Can I solve question 7?
يلا read.
The area of a triangle is found by evaluating the expression 1 over 2 multiply P multiply H.
Good. ذاكرين the area of triangle, guys? Half BH, remember?
Yeah.
So A equal half base multiply height. B is the base and H is the height.
Right.
Continue.
Where P is the base of the triangle and H is the height, find the area of triangle shown. Explain how you know
The triangle
answer.
down, the triangle under below the question. What's the base of the triangle, ya Hisham?
5 and 7 over 12.
Okay, what's the height?
3.
Now let's calculate the area, right?
Yes.
يلا. Huh.
1 over 2 multiply
1 over 2 multiply
5 and 7 over 12.
هو البيز, right? فاهم يا مروان؟ يلا 7 over 12 multiply احكي
Multiply 3.
3 which is H, right? مظبوط؟
Yes.
Now we have next number here. Let's turn it to fraction. Then we multiply these three fractions together. Okay? Yeah, let's do it.
12
half
multiply
60 ايش اللي بلس
7 over 12
multiply 67 over 12. We turn this to fraction. 12 by 5, 60 plus 7, 67 over 12. Multiply the 3, we can make it 3 over 1, right?
1. Yes.
طيب, Mr. Hashim.
Yes.
Hisham, we multiplied up, we multiplied down, right?
Yes.
But can I cross the 3 with the 12?
Yes, we can cross a 3 with the 12 by
Yes, we
dividing.
can. By 3, right? صح?
Yes,
To
equal.
make it
Yes.
simplified. أول بأول. So this is here divided by 3 and here divided by. This is
3.
equal half. multiply 67 over multiply
1/1.
yeah, so up will be 67 and down will be
8.
make long division, it will be 8 and 3 over 8.
3/8
What's the unit?
inch.
No. Squared
Mr.
inch. Why squared inch? We are calculating area, right? You can write
Yes.
squared inch or inch to the power 2. أو inch power 2. فهمت يا هشام؟
Yes, yes.
Yeah. This is question 7, guys. Copy it, please. Quickly. If you finish copying, go to question 9 and solve it. بسرعة. 8 آسف. If you finish copying the question here, go to 8 directly and solve it. Open. What's the answer of question 8? Marwan? Huh? ممتاز. The question is 1 and 3 over 8. Right. Question 9. Do question 9. Yeah. So question 8 is division, normal division, right? ما في مشاكل ها؟ مين مش فاهم question 8؟ 1 and 3 over 8. مين مش فاهم كيف نطلع الانسر؟ فاهم يا يوسف؟ يلا. So it is 1 and 3 over 8 for question 8. Now go to do and question 9. فاهم يا معاذ؟ شو مالك يا زيد؟ ها؟ طيب just give your friend a chance. Wait. ها؟ سليمان. 1 over 5. So question 9, the answer is part D, -3 and 1/5. طبعا question 9 it is m/n, right? So you will do division of fractions after turning the 0.25 to fraction. فاهم يا شكري؟ متأكد؟ طيب let's do question 9 just on the board, then I will give you your exam papers, okay? Question 9. Question 9. The question wants us to evaluate m/n, given that m equal 4/5 and n equal negative. هلا negative 0.25 هذه بدي اخليها negative 25 which is negative 1/4. صح؟ يلا. So here m/n equal الm 4/5 والn negative 1/4 مش هيك؟ equal up stays the same. The division will be what? Reciprocal. Negative 4/1. This is equal negative 16, which is equal negative 3, which is part mean RT. Copy that, please. Okay, now before I forget also, from next Sunday, you will bring volume 2, okay? اتفقنا؟ لا تنسى. شو at the end of the we took ratios. I taught you ratios, grade 6, remember? We took ratios, we took rates, we took cross products, we took everything. Tables, graphs, we took everything, right? So I'm just moving to the the more useful for you, okay? At the end of the season, at the end of the year, if we have extra time, we will back and do some exercises from it, okay? But for now, no, we'll keep going, proceed. خلاص? We'll keep going ahead, and from Sunday, we'll start with volume 2 together, okay? مش تروح ترمي volume 1 هتختبر فيه، هذا اللي بناخذ فيه. اوكي؟ اتفقنا؟ اتفقنا. طيب. That's all for today. I will give you, don't forget, you don't have a line assignment this week only. And I will give you now your quiz papers. If you have questions, you can ask. لا the paper. يلا. ريان أحمد. By the way, wait. ايوه يا حبايبي ريان احمد روح مالك ايش بدك معاذ سليمان منير هذا الماينس ناسي ما تحطه هون بس يلا مشيت لك اياه تعيدها احمد ناجد عامر غسان محسن سليمان الثاني آدم غايب شكري محمد جندي. يحيى حالك يا يحيى. مروان كل أخذ؟ إيه. يوسف موسى. يزيد. خلينا نخلص. يزيد. يوسف تامر. محمد فادي. روح. طيب. عمر علاء. يزن. ريان ما اختبرت انت؟ ليه؟ ها؟ سلامتك. خد زيرو يعني. انت حر. يس يو. ها؟ هات شوف. What?
This 3 marks and I get
1. اعطيتك 1 على الخطوه الاولى. بتكيش هات بنزل لك اياها هاي يا حبيبي. يلا روح غيره. لان انا ما بيهمني تعرف 8 باي 7 انت عارف 56. انا بيهمنا نيجاتيف ولا بوزيتيف. Similar signs the answer is positive, different signs the answer is negative. How many times we said that? A lot. Yes. Why not? حلو. هيا مسامعيننا على فكره وحينزل فيديو هم عارفين انا اعطيتكم الورقه. Good. Guys in the online, we don't have online assignment. We don't have homework, just a study for your exam. And from Sunday, don't forget to bring volume 2. That's all for today. Happy weekend.